get into the physical world. In today's world, with technology and education advancing at such a great rate, I think this is one of the most fastest growing ventures. Entrepreneurship, it doesn't actually need a big idea. Your idea can be small, but it has to have potential. And I think if you can get 2 or 3 like-minded people, or 4 or 5, a group of like-minded people who have almost the same idea, and get your stuff working, I think that would be great. And right now, I think people should start doing that, because many of us have ideas, but we're not able to put it out. The time you think your idea has potential, I think students or even youngsters should be able to put it out, because there are companies out there who are ready to fund you and who are able to give your ideas that boost that you need. So I think entrepreneurship is something that you should obviously look up to.
This is Lieutenant Commander Shivesh. I am an officer in the Indian Navy and an engineer by profession. I have heard about entrepreneurship on both various media. For me, entrepreneurship means starting your own setup. The best part is you be your own boss, have your own set of rules, and you employ a lot of people. If I start my setup, I would definitely go to a person who has already done so that he can guide me, he can show me my strengths and weaknesses, and if possible, some funding will also do.
About entrepreneurship, I think it is about basically 2 things: having an idea and having the courage to take it forward. So if you have both of this, you are already an entrepreneur. And the second step of being an entrepreneur is having the funding or getting your idea to materialize in this world, which obviously needs loads of money. And there are not many sources where an entrepreneur gets money to fund his idea and make it come into life in this world. So you either go to, most probably people prefer banks to get loans and stuff, which is kind of rigid. The system is very rigid and you might have to pay it up in time. Entrepreneurship is not always going to kick off well and you get money like that. It's not like that. So bank systems are rigid. I prefer saying you either go for venture capitalists or any other sources who are interested in funding and also encourage entrepreneurship. Or you can even approach a senior, or if you can pull up your friends and invest money in your own idea by yourself, you can get the money back someday or the other. So I prefer not banks, but any other system that is not very rigid for entrepreneurs.
Well, entrepreneur is somebody who obviously wants to pick a new idea and open a business or any venture, and he would try to obviously come up by his own way. For this, generally, nobody can have particular cash by himself. He would try to take it from a bank or anybody, or one of the industry or the financial organization. So, an entrepreneur, his idea should be bankable. He should be able to take it up, for which you require somebody to guide him. This guidance can be given by various institutions of the country, the government, or even the education institutions can help youngsters or young entrepreneurs to come up, because innovativeness comes only by youth, and that way the country can definitely come up. And I am sure if a person goes around with this idea, he would be able to come up and be successful on this. But knowing the present scenario of the country and the state, entrepreneurs today, startup entrepreneurs will have a very difficult time, but I hope things will...
About entrepreneurship, now I think converting a small idea into a big venture is what is all about entrepreneurship. Now, how do you convert a small idea into a big venture? There are many things that comes into life, starting from your young days, being kids, going to school, going to college, and then finding a life partner, getting married, and then having a family. Then it's all about having success in all those parts of life. Entrepreneurship is mostly like that. So you'll have to start with a small idea. You'll have to keep adding values to it. Once you start adding values to it, you will get a lot of more ideas. You will get partners. You will get many more new things that will be getting added. What you need to do in the process is always think to innovate. The key idea or the key buzzword is innovating newer things in the same field. Once you start innovating, once you do something new, you will go places. So the same product will give you probably ideas